Welcome. This presentation will be about decision support in the area of Logistics 4.0. Authors, Joanna Dykskowska, Norbert Chamier-Glisczynski, Marcin Olkiewicz and Tomasz Skrolikowski from Koszalin University of Technology in Poland. To begin with, I would like to present briefly the plan of presentation. Logistics 4.0 was created based on the Industry 4.0 concept and takes into account both the automation of production and the use of modern information and communication technology. She is responsible, among others, for the development of supply chains through the automation and digitization of the warehousing process, the introduction of intelligent means of transport, advanced IT systems. The combination of individual elements of Logistics 4.0 generates the need to make rational decisions, which are very often complex due to the adopted priorities and goals for the proper functioning of the company. The aim of the article is to present IT tools that are a practical application in the decision-making process in the area of Logistics 4.0. Decision-making situations are a basic element of the functioning of modern enterprises. The decisions made are influenced by many factors that must be taken into account by the decision maker at the decision-making stage. Decision-making is often carried out under time pressure, which generates not always the best decisions. In practice, the aim is to ensure that the decisions made allow for the best possible result, for example minimizing the delivery time, minimizing the distance traveled, maximizing the filling of the cargo space in the vehicle. Determining the best decision is based on the implementation of activities optimizing the decision-making process in the field of logistics. In this approach, optimization is activities aimed at obtaining the best work result, making the best decision under given boundary conditions and with a defined evaluation criterion. In the area of Logistics 4.0, specialized IT tools are used in the decision-making process. Therefore, in the decision support model in the area of Logistics 4.0, individual tools should be mapped. For the purposes of the research, it was assumed that the structure of the decision support model in the area of Logistics 4.0 can be written as an ordered 5 elements. Warehouse management system is a system that supports the handling of ongoing processes in warehouse facilities. It enables the handling of all warehouse processes, from the delivery acceptance process, through the storage process, the picking process, to the goods release process. The functioning of the system is based on the use of the most modern solutions in the field of IT and logistics techniques. The structure of the WMS system can be written as an ordered 6 elements. Manufacturing execution system is a system that supports the implementation of the production process. In principle, MES allows you to quickly and effectively model production processes and monitor their progress. In addition, through integration with external systems, it allows you to track products, components and raw materials at individual stages in the enterprise. An important element is that the MES system enables effective supervision of production in real time, recording and informing about any deviations from the implementation plan. The MES system is intended to be an effective tool for improving production logistics in terms of the Industry 4.0 concept. By registering and tracking the flow of components and finished products in the production hall, a given company can maintain optimal stock of production in the course of its implementation. The structure of the FEM system can be written as an ordered 7 elements. Transport management system is a system that supports the planning, monitoring and settlement of transport processes. The system is scalable in principle, which makes it a useful tool for forwarding, logistics and transport companies. With regard to transport companies, it works well in the field of transport for own use and contracted transport, regardless of the size of the transport fleet. It is also an important link in supply chain management and enables cooperation, for example with WMS and IM systems. It enables the settlement of logistics and transport operations as well as transport operations related to the implementation of dangerous goods in accordance with the ADR convention. The structure of the TMS system can be written as an ordered 10 elements. DS, dock scheduling system, is a system that supports the management of time windows in logistics facilities that carry out deliveries and shipments. Yacht management system is a system that supports the management of transport and pedestrian traffic in a given area, for example in a logistics center, port terminal. It allows for the optimal use of existing company resources, which is reflected in the process of planning time windows for loading and unloading means of transport. The structure of the IM system can be written as an ordered hexadecimal element. One of the elements of the TMS system is the management of transport orders, which is responsible for accepting the transport order, organizing the transport order and settling the transport order. The organization of transport orders are activities whose task is to efficiently execute a given transport order. It is at this stage that actions are taken to optimally distribute the loads in the cargo space of the means of transport or container load unit. In practice, dedicated IT tools are used. In this process, that is good loading, easy cargo, loggy. The basic functions of these tools are calculation of free and occupied cargo space, optimization of the distribution of loads in a given cargo space, for example semi-trailer, container, possibility of coordinating the task by the forwarder, logistician, warehouseman, driver, principal, etc., dynamic control of the load on individual axles in the case of means of car transport. The Logistics 4.0 concept assumes the use of IT tools at the stage of decision-making, implementation of logistics, transport, warehousing processes and their control, settlement and reporting. The article refers to 5 systems, that is WMS Warehouse Management System, MES Manufacturing Execution System, TMS, Transport Management System, DS, Dock Scheduling System, IMS, Yacht Management System, which, according to the authors, are the basic group of IT tools necessary to be implemented in enterprises operating in the area of Industry 4.0 and Logistics 4.0. The presented group of tools supports the processes of determining the best decisions in terms of given criteria, that is, they optimize given actions. It should be noted that optimization in this sense is an action aimed at obtaining the best result, making the best decision with defined boundary conditions and adopted evaluation criteria. A practical example of the optimization process is the arrangement of the cargo in the cargo space of a given means of transport or container transport unit. Examples of easy cargo and good loading tools allow you to optimize the distribution of cargo in a given cargo space, taking into account the geometric parameters and permissible axle loads of the vehicle or set. Thank you for your attention.